340. Assault with a deadly weapon on AC Upper Parkway in Burton.
Great! Police!
Let's go! Sports car.
Holy shit! Having fun, cunts? Suspect has fucking crashed! Party time! Let's get it done! Stupid fool! Somebody, please! Our boy is down!